Hi, welcome back to my channel. I'm Ada, and if you're new, thank you for watching. Today, I want to do a Dollar Tree haul. I found a bunch of new stuff, and then I went there for like 3 things, and I left with a whole big bag. Alright, so let's get into the video. So the very first thing on top is going to be this Flamingo tape dispenser. I saw this honestly when I was at checkout and I'm like, oh my gosh, it's so cute, I have to get it. Next thing I got was these 2 dry erase boards, and I plan to use these with my children's homeschooling. The next thing in the bag is a bag. I got this because I want to try to see if I can store some of the cloth diapers that I'm not using right now, if I can store them in here, because currently the storage situation we have going on for that it's really it's not very practical. So we're going to see if this works better. If it does, then I have to go back and get another one of these. But this is just, it says a jumbo blanket storage bag, and it says it guards it against dust, moths, and mildew. So it just looks like this. Then I got this. It's just like a headband. I really like the color of it. It kind of reminded me of opals, honestly. This is what happens when you send me into a store by myself. I grab things I don't actually need. I didn't need this. Have no idea what I'm going to use it for, but it was cute, so I bought it. It says that it's a tote organizer. It says sort small items in style. But I thought it was super cute because it's got like the little boba tea going on. It's got some donuts, coffee. Then I got this super cute pencil, was that a pencil case? And I plan to get more colored pencils because I like to draw, I like to paint, I like to do things like that. And I can't find my colored pencils. Since we moved, I have not been able to find them. So I plan to go this weekend, weather permitting, and get some more colored pencils so I can start drawing and stuff again. But I thought this was so cute and I could put my pencils in there. But it has like, we call that a hologram, I don't know. But I thought it was so cool. Now it does it. It's just sidewalk chalk. It's just a 20 pack. It's got the 5 different colors in it. Next thing I got was just 2 different packages of Epsom salt. It has menthol, eucalyptus, lemongrass, and then obviously the Epsom salt in it. So that's that one. And then I also just got this regular one, just in case I wasn't feeling to use the citrus one all the time. So the next thing I got was these 6 things of children's paint. My children love painting, so I went and I got more. I normally don't get it at the Dollar Tree. I usually just get like the bulk packs off Amazon and stuff like that, but we ran out and I wanted to have some for this weekend because we're working on a project. So I got the 6 colors that they had there. Jumbo pencils. Who doesn't like jumbo pencils? Then I got 2 packs of paint palettes for my children's paint. Then I got these 2 things for my children's homeschool stuff. One, it says stamp. I don't really know. And then the other one says circles. We're going to open this up and find out what the difference is. So these ones are just a kind of rounded tip. They have like little stamp things on them. So next thing I got was 2 canvases, because we used 2 canvases for one project and then I needed 2 more. So got 2 more canvases from there. These are actually really nice. And what we do with ours is we put them in frames once they're finished. But yeah, if you guys need some frames, you should definitely check Dollar Tree first because they definitely have a lot of good frames. So the next thing I got was another ABC foam puzzle. We had another one, but then I got a second one so they don't have to share. I got this one, and then I also got one with numbers. I got another set of little paintbrushes. These are they're not the greatest, but they work. When I first saw the stuff, just the packaging alone had me intrigued. So it is the Bolero Blueberry Bliss product line. So I got the soap, I got some sheet masks, and then I thought this was lotion, but I clearly can't read because it says face wash. but I did get that. And then just for fun, because I have never in my life used Dollar Tree hair products, I figured they had the Blueberry Bliss shampoo and conditioner. I figured I'd give it a whirl. But like, look how pretty that packaging is. How could you not want to buy that? Alright, so that is all I have for this Dollar Tree haul. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And comment down below which one of these products you like the best, or maybe what your Dollar Tree has new for this month. I'll see you guys in the next video, and don't forget to hit subscribe and the bell so you don't miss the next time I upload a video. Bye guys!